Hello, I heard that many persons are having problem in installing Prometium theme. So here is the quick video to install Prometium theme on WordPress without any error. Click on download now. Version 1.2 will be downloaded and press will be downloaded. I already have downloaded it, and first we need to extract. After extraction there will be the files we need to upload. This is the file we need to download. To check whether it is the correct file or not, there is the trick. Open it and it will show assets include folders and other PHP files. This is the correct file. So what we need to do is now install it in our WordPress. Go to upload, press on upload theme. Now extract it, choose it from there and install now. Now you will see that it already has installed, and now press on activate button and it will activate it successfully without any problem. So this is the quick video. Hope